Welcome to factory process. See how everything is made. Stay with us throughout the process. Transcription.
Okay.
This section looks good.
Make sure to separate the femurs properly. We're checking for calcium content and purity, matching our batch numbers for traceability.
Esto se compone de average statistica basate ateno. Luz isa sate kung abi kiki sate rihe, drus se sturas minima thidiki hai.
Okay, check the levels on tank 3. Looks good, maintaining steady flow. And the transcription. The cryogenic grinding ensures the gelatin proteins aren't damaged by heat.
Make sure the glycerin is added slowly to avoid clumping.
Got it? Keeping an eye on the consistency. Now that the oil phase is ready at 70 degrees, we can combine it with the water phase to create the emulsion.
Section 26. Homogenization process. The emulsion passes through a high-pressure homogenizer to reduce particle size further.
Section 30. Quality control sampling. Technicians withdraw samples from the finished cream batch using sterile equipment. The cream flows smoothly at 30 degrees Celsius. No air pockets.
At the secondary packaging station, Workers place individual jars into printed cardboard boxes.
Section 41. Metal detection checkpoint.
Section 43. Barcode printing and application station, where unique GS1 128 barcodes are printed and applied to each box for inventory tracking.
Section 45. Case packing station.
Datos perisesnal ito थे सूती रेगल पेजनी का रोसी में इस बोर बेकर की बेस का नहीं है और इसको अपना कोतरी
Section 49. Palletizing area, where sealed cartons are stacked onto wooden pallets in a stable pattern.
Transcription, Section 50. Pallet wrapping station.
Section 51. Pallet labeling.
Transcription. Approved pallets receive a green status tag and are released for warehouse storage.
Granite transcription. Pallet location confirmed. Bay 7, Aisle 3. Available stock, 150 units.
Everything good on this one?
Labels on, manifest ready.
Printing now. All right, get that secured. Doors latched, seal number recorded, ready for final check. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more factory process videos.